What's up, everybody? This is Derek. I just want to thank you guys for coming to my page. If you would like to know what's going on with me in the future, please click that subscribe button. Today is a beautiful day out here, but when it comes to being an online marketer, it doesn't take a lot of work. You mainly just gotta stay focused and stick to the blueprint of what you're doing. And with the Power Lead system, I'm telling you, it's been remarkable. As you can see, it's paying off for me well. Dreams do come true. You just got to stay focused and stay on point. Follow the blueprint. You only got to pretty much promote that link. Promote that link, promote that link, promote that link. Keep it simple. Get traffic. Stay in contact with your traffic and let the system work for you. Have a great day.